As an interior design and renovation firm, we are always on the lookout for new ideas, top trends, and inspiration. I'm here today at the Decorative Center in Dallas, just checking out the amazing international showrooms that are here, looking for ideas and solutions for our vacation home buyers and rental property investors as we kick off another round of projects for this year. This is absolutely the year of the renovation, and we can see already there are so many great solutions that would fit perfectly for our owners and our clients' vision and expectations. So as I'm checking out these showrooms today, follow along and take a look.